Sai Ram children, today we are going to start chapter 8, A Treat for Mosquitoes. In this chapter, we will learn what is malaria, what is anemia, what is the reason behind spread of malaria, how can we control breeding of mosquitoes, and all others related to this chapter. As all of you know that rainy season is going on and number of mosquitoes are increasing day by day. When we go to park, when we go to our garden, and we found there are so many mosquitoes. How can we control the breeding of mosquitoes? मतलब mosquitoes को फैलने से, नंबर उनके बढ़ने से हम कैसे रोक सकते हैं? तो let me show the textbook of this chapter, A Treat for Mosquitoes. This is our chapter number 8, A Treat for Mosquitoes. And you can see here is a conversation is going on among the children. And the title is blood test. Blood test हम कराते हैं हॉस्पिटल में जाके, पैथोलॉजी में जाके. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. Rajat आज स्कूल वापस आया, वो कई दिनों से absent था. How are you now? asked Aarti. I am all right, Rajat replied softly. Aarti asked, how are you? And he said, okay, I am all right. Jaskirat said, you must have played a lot while you were at home. हमारे दोस्त यही बात करते हैं जब हम कई दिन स्कूल नहीं आते हैं. तो उसी तरीके से रजत के दोस्त ने बोला कि तुम तो घर में बहुत खेले होंगे. Rajat said, who wants to play when you have fever? What Rajat said? Rajat said, जब आपको फीवर है तो आप कैसे खेल सकते हैं? कौन खेलना चाहेगा जब आपको फीवर है? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. और उसके ऊपर मुझे कड़वी दवाइयां लेनी पड़ती थी. Even I had a blood test. और मेरा blood test भी हुआ था. Friend said, blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. उसका दोस्त क्या बोला कि ब्लड टेस्ट क्यों? और ये तो बहुत ही पेनफुल होता होगा. Rajat said, actually when the needle pricked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2-3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. Rajat ने क्या बताया? Rajat shared his experience with his friends when he rejoined the school. He said कि जब needle हमारे finger में चुभाया जाता है तो ऐसा लगता है कि चींटी ने काट लिया है. And pathologist take 2-3 drops of blood and they sent it for testing. और इससे हमें यह पता चलता है कि हमें मलेरिया है. Time to time we also visit hospital due to many reasons. And when you go to pathology lab and the pathologist takes sample of blood, sometimes through the veins by injection, sometimes as Rajat explained. Okay, so Rajat found he had malaria and it was confirmed after blood test. Nancy said, but you get malaria when a mosquito bites you. Rajat said, yes, but we find out by the blood test. Nancy ने क्या बोला कि हमें तब मलेरिया होता है या तुम्हें तब मलेरिया हुआ है जब तुम्हें मॉस्किटो ने काटा होगा. This is a very nice question. क्या मॉस्किटो काटने से ही मलेरिया हो जाता है, या कोई भी मॉस्किटो काट ले तो मलेरिया हो जाता है? नहीं। दैट्स व्हाई वी फाइंड आउट बाय द ब्लड टेस्ट. Jaskirat said, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. What Jaskirat said? तो मेरे घर में तो बहुत मॉस्किटोज हो गए हैं अभी, लेकिन मुझे तो मलेरिया नहीं हुआ. Nancy said, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease carrying mosquitoes. Very nice. Nancy knows, she knows that कि हर एक मॉस्किटो के काटने से मलेरिया नहीं होता है. ऐसे मॉस्किटोज जो डिजीज कैरिंग मॉस्किटोज होते हैं, वो उनके काटने से ही मलेरिया होता है. आरती said, all mosquitoes look the same to me. There must be some difference. Rajas said, हमको भी सभी मॉस्किटोज एक जैसे दिखाई देते हैं, लेकिन उनमें कुछ डिफरेंस तो होता है या होना चाहिए. These two are the pictures. How to take blood sample. In first picture, taking the blood on the glass slide for test malaria spread through female mosquitoes, Anopheles. आप पहले पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं कि एक ग्लास स्लाइड पर ब्लड सैंपल लिया जा रहा है, जिससे मलेरिया है या नहीं ये पता चलता है. यहाँ एक इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, मलेरिया स्प्रेड थ्रू फीमेल मॉस्किटोज and the name of it Anopheles. In second picture, Dr. Mariam looking at the blood slide under the microscope. Do you know better what is microscope? Microscope is a device by which we can see tiny objects. एक ऐसी डिवाइस जिससे हम छोटी छोटी चीजों को जो हमारी नेकेड आई से हमें नहीं दिखाई देती, उन्हें हम देख सकते हैं. This microscope makes things look 1,000 times bigger. The details inside the blood can be seen clearly. There are some microscopes which make things look even more bigger than this one. The microscope is a very, very important device in pathology to check pathogens. Pathogens means disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. So this is very important to know about the microscope and blood tests. Nancy said, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquitoes had bitten you? Raja said, of course not. How do I know when and where the mosquito bit me? नैन्सी ने क्या पूछा कि क्या वहीं से ब्लड सैंपल लिया गया था जिस जगह पर मॉस्किटो ने काटा? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Nancy said, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? Definitely. Find out. Do you know anyone who has had malaria? क्या आप किसी को जानते हैं जिसको मलेरिया हुआ है? How did they find out they had malaria? उन्हें कैसे पता चला कि उनको मलेरिया है? What problems did they have on having malaria? जब उनको मलेरिया हुआ तो किस प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम्स हुई? What other disease can be caused by mosquitoes bites? मॉस्किटो के काटने से क्या केवल मलेरिया होता है या कुछ और भी डिजीज होती हैं? In which season is malaria more common? किस वेदर कंडीशन में, किस सीजन में मलेरिया ज्यादा होता है? Why do you think this happens? और आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन में ही मलेरिया ज्यादा होता है? What do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? आप अपने घर में क्या करते हैं अपने आप को मॉस्किटो से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए? Also find out from your friends about what they do. This is very important. कुछ चीजों को हम इसमें पता कर सकते हैं. अगर हमारे घर में किसी को मलेरिया कभी हुआ है तो हम ये पता कर सकते हैं कि उसको कैसे फाइनल हुआ कि मलेरिया है, उसको क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आई. किस सीजन में मलेरिया होता है और क्यों होता है, और हम अपने घर में अपने आप को मॉस्किटो से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं, and what other disease can be caused by mosquitoes bite. All of you know about, and I will discuss later about the disease caused by mosquito, other disease caused by mosquito bite. Look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? इस प्रकार की एक, this is a clinical pathology report, and this report gives the patient conclusion about the cause behind fever. As you know that on the top of this report, it is written clinical pathology report. Central government health scheme. Date is already written, name, age, male or female, and what is diagnosis. रोग की क्या पहचान हुई? फीवर विथ चिल्स एंड रिगर्स, ठंड लगकर कपकपी के साथ बुखार. And this is the conclusion: malarial parasite found in blood sample. So this is the report of a malarial patient, and here is a sign of pathologist. So it is very important. Medicine for malaria. From early times, the dried and powdered bark of cinchona trees was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to patients. Now tablets are made from this. It means medicine for malaria is already available in our nature. So now I am showing you some videos related to malaria. And to know about it, yes, a tale of two mosquitoes.
This is Phil and his wife Anne. They are searching for a house to lay their eggs. While flying around, they come across a desert. Shall we stay here?
No, it's too dry.
They fly ahead.
What female mosquito said? It is too dry. It means mosquitoes don't want to stay there at dry place.
To look for another place to stay. They see some snow-capped mountains.
Then another place, snow. What about this
What
place?
about this place?
It's too cold.
As Phil and Anne fly on, they find a little pool filled with dirty water.
We'll stay here.
Finally, they got a place. This place was warm and wet and perfect for young ones to grow. Breeding ground. Malaria is mosquitoes lay eggs in this conditions, warm and wet condition.
This place is warm and wet, perfect for our young ones to grow.
Phil and Anne are happy in their newfound home. Before Anne lays eggs, she needs to have a meal. So she sets out in search of food. She prefers human blood.
I am hungry. Let me see if there are any human beings around. Ah, there is one. Are you coming?
No thanks. I'm strictly vegetarian. Uncle Sham is feeling cold and is shivering. He is already suffering from malaria. When Anne draws blood from him, the malaria-causing germs from Uncle Sham enter Anne's body. These germs will multiply in Anne's body, and now Anne lays the eggs at her newly found home.
You saw here, that female mosquitoes suck the blood from a malarial patient, and now see what happens when this female mosquito bites some other one, and it transfers germs, malarial parasite, from one person to next.
2 to 3 days later, Anne is hungry and goes out in search of food. She spots a young girl cycling and flies towards her. Anne bites the girl.
Ouch! Shoo! Shoo!
A week after Anne bit the small girl falls sick. She starts shivering and also has fever. The malaria-causing germs have entered her body and made her sick.
So this is quite interesting to know how malaria is spread and which type of mosquitoes are responsible for spreading malaria. I would like to show you some slides here. The first one you can see, this is about multiple choice questions. If you can attempt, you can. Which of these diseases are caused by mosquitoes? Number 1, dengue. Number 3, malaria. Number next, chikungunya, and all the above. And correct answer is all the above. All these dengue, malaria, chikungunya, these all spread are caused by mosquitoes. Next is, which of the following is done to protect from mosquitoes? Wire mesh on windows, खिड़कियों पर वायर मैश लगाते हैं. रिमूविंग स्टेगनेंट वाटर, जमा हुआ पानी जो होता है उसे रोका जाता है, उसको हटाया जाता है. कीपिंग सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन, and all the above. And correct answer is all the above. What is the normal range of hemoglobin? And I will explain you later about the normal range of hemoglobin. I will tell you later what is anemia and what is hemoglobin. But you should take care of yourself at home, because number of mosquitoes are increasing day by day because of the suitable weather conditions. And think about the questions that in the beginning from the book I discussed with you. How can we protect ourselves from mosquitoes? And what generally we do at home? I hope you understood. And tomorrow in next class, in next video, I will explain more about it. So, Sai Ram children.